Hey, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to help you find the cheapest online universities here in the United States of America. I'm going to give you a full-blown cost comparison list so that you can find out which universities are going to save you the most money. If that sounds good, then let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how. All right, so I want to jump straight over to my computer and I'm going to show you a really cool resource I found that literally compares annual tuition cost through almost all these online universities across the entire country. So let's jump over and I'll walk you through this. This resource is from onlineu.com. Okay, and as you can see, it's a list of accredited online colleges and universities. So it's here in the United States, universities with online programs. Okay, we're going to look at a whole list. And as you can see here, there's a bunch of ads. You got to scroll past the ads. But look at this. It's a massive list of online universities, and it includes how much each of these schools charges per year in tuition. So we go like Western Governors University, $6,600. Scroll down, $6,600. Columbia Southern University, Lone Star College System, $5,500. You can scroll through here, and there's multiple pages of online universities and how much they cost. Now, I'm going to leave this link down below in the resource list. So just click on the video description, click on the title of the video, and the description is going to open up and you'll find a link to this. But there's one more thing you're going to need to compare. So this is annual tuition cost. Now, to calculate how much tuition you're actually going to pay, you need to determine how long it's going to take you to earn a college degree. Now, traditionally, colleges and universities say it's going to take 4 years, but the national average for a bachelor's degree is about 6 years to earn a bachelor's degree. Well, if it takes you 6 years and you're comparing these numbers, let's say Liberty University, $11,700, you need to multiply that by 6 to find your final tuition cost. Now, there are a whole bunch of universities, and it's getting more and more popular across the country, especially post-pandemic. There are universities that are allowing you to test out of your classes, and some of these universities offer what I call flat rate tuition. And what that means is instead of paying for every credit or every class you take, you literally pay per semester, and you can finish as many classes as you want in that semester. Well, the benefit there is the faster you graduate, the more money you save. So if you find one of these schools that's $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 a year, if you can graduate in a year, it's $5,000, $6,000, $8,000 for your entire degree, like literally your whole bachelor's degree. And to put this into perspective, a bachelor's degree holder, as soon as they graduate college, on average, they're going to get a $2,000 per month pay raise. So if you're like, hey, I can get a whole degree if I do it in less than a year and it costs me $7,000, well, would you pay $7,000 in a year of your free time and get a $2,000 a month pay raise? For most people, they'd say, yeah, that's a sweet deal, right? Now, the key here is to find schools that charge flat rate tuition, okay? So you're gonna have to do some digging, find the best schools with flat rate tuition. Whatever universities you're interested in, you're going to call their admissions offices on the phone and ask them how they charge tuition, okay? What's their structure? Is it per credit, per class, or is it a flat rate per semester? If it's a flat rate per semester, you need to make sure they don't have a limit as to how many classes you can finish per semester. You want that to be unlimited so you can finish really, really quickly. Now, another thing is if you're going traditional and you're sitting in classrooms and doing homework and reading textbooks and all that, you're not going to be able to graduate in less than a year because the school's not going to let you because you got all their coursework laid out for you. So you need to find schools that allow you to test out of your classes. Now, those programs are called competency-based education programs. Essentially what that means is once you have the knowledge in your brain to pass an exam, you go take that exam and you move on to the next class. You get full credit for the class. The cool thing is if you finish one of those exams in a day, you literally finish a college class in a day. If it takes you a week, you get credit for a college class in a week. So that's kind of the process here to really, really save a whole bunch of money on tuition. You're going to compare the prices that I've shown you, and then you're going to calculate how long it's going to take you to graduate. Now, I earned a 4-year bachelor's degree in 9 months. If you would like to graduate faster, if you want to accelerate your degree, finish really, really quickly, I'll leave a link to another video down below in the description showing you the 3-step process that I followed to earn my degree in 9 months. And hopefully you can do it even faster than I did. So I hope this resource helps. Again, link down in the description, but you can literally compare how much each of these universities cost before you even make a decision on university. You've got this full cost comparison list. So I hope this adds value to your day and helps you find a school that's going to save you a whole bunch of money. And yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. And I will talk to you in the next video.